how to install disassembled cap driver. Okay, now we need the cross screwdrivers and this screwdriver. Okay, first we need to lose this screw. And we use 3mm screwdriver to lose that one screw. Yeah, just lose a little bit for about 1 turn. And then use this screwdriver to lose that one. You can lose like this, no need to take off. Okay, now be careful the direction of the two screws. They are towards bottom, and be careful the cap driver's direction too, and the poisoning block. And you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, put the poisoning block at 5. This position, and click this and this. Okay, now we need to put the steel string as this part. Steel string, yeah. Okay. And we pull that one, and start pull another one. Okay, and then we fix that string. Okay, we use that to tighten the screw. Tighten. Okay, now we install that screws we firstly unscrewed, but don't need to tighten yet. Now we put the cap driver and install it on the machine. First, we need to choose cap driver, cap hope. Yeah. Let's fixing the cap driver. Tighten the screws. Now we need to make sure the poisoning block and the needle plate hole are in same line. It's a little not in the middle. Now we need to adjust it. Okay, now we lose that screw again. Okay, and then we turn this cap driver a little bit until it was in the middle. You can see the needle plate hole and the positioning block are in same line now. Okay, now we can tighten the screws. Make sure this screw just in the middle of these two parts. And tighten it. And then we tighten the last screw. We finished adjusting, and then we need to confirm if it's been adjusted well. You can see now the positioning block in the middle of needle plate. Okay, now we are done.